Snapchat's users have grown to 100 million, and the social media company has raised $175 million in fresh funding from Fidelity Investments, which may seem like good news. But Snapchat's valuation has remained at $16 billion, unchanged from a year ago. The disappearing message app's inability to raise funds at a higher valuation than a year ago may be a sign investors have grown more cautious about the company's prospects. This Fidelity investment was considered part of last year's funding round because Snapchat had already authorized the sale of these shares as part of that round. But Snapchat was still unable to sell shares at a higher price after a year of growth. Venture investors have been tightening their purse strings and pushing back on high valuations amid a volatile stock market. Mutual funds in particular have clamped down on making new investments in startups. Snapchat has raised more than $1.2 billion in funding from investors including General Catalyst Partners, Lightspeed Venture Partners, Yahoo, and Alibaba Group Holding. In recent months, tech startups have increasingly raised capital at the same or lower valuations than earlier, the trend posing risks to these companies' ability to recruit and retain talent and adding concerns that the era of runaway growth and valuations is ending. Snapchat's $16 billion valuation last March represented a 60% bump from its previous round in December of 2014. Over the past year, Snapchat has ramped up its efforts to sell ads to marketers who are hungry to reach the more than 100 million users who log on to the app daily. Last month, Snapchat joined with Nielsen to supply marketers with the third-party data measuring their ad campaigns.